Hi viewers, this is Thermal Commerce faculty from Hyderabad. In the previous video, I explained accounting treatment in the books of consignor. Okay, in this video, I am going to explain accounting treatment in the books of consignee. Okay, consignee is a agent. Okay, agent do all the transactions on the behalf of consignor. So that's why consignee prepares only one account, that is a consignor account. Okay, see this consignor account sometimes debited, sometimes credited. Okay, first, what is the first transaction in consignee? At the time of receiving goods, consignee may pay some advance or may not pay. Okay, if advance is paid by consignee, then cash goes out from the business of consignee to consignor. Okay, consignor is a receiver. At the time of payment of advance, consignor is a receiver. Who is a giver? Consignee. We are preparing in the books of consignee. So who is receiving? Consignor. So consignor account is debited because debit the receiver. Okay, 2, that advance may be paid by cash or check or any draft or any bill. So we have to write cash or bank or bills payable. Okay, bills payable account. That's it. Next, after paying advance means after receiving goods, consignee may pay some expenses. For the expenses also cash goes out. So we are preparing in the books of consignee. We have to think about consignee point of view. Okay, at the time of payment of expenses, cash goes out. When cash goes out, cash account is credited. What is the debit? Consignor account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side to cash account, the bracket expenses. Next, what is the next transaction in consignee? Consignee sell goods to the customers. Okay, at the time of sales, cash comes into the business. When cash comes into the business, cash account is debited. Okay, consignor account is credited. So we have to write in the credit side by cash account in the bracket sales. Okay, next, after that, after doing sales, consignee receive some of the commission from the consignor on this sales. Okay, commission is earned on this sales. Commission is a major income to the consignee. Okay, so all incomes will be credited as per the rule of nominal account. So commission account is credited. What is the debit account? Consignor. So consignor account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side to commission account. That's it. Next, after that we have to total for the both sides. Obviously credit side is greater, so that remaining is treated as a due. Balance carried down. That's it. Sometimes that due may be paid in cash or check. Okay, so we have to write that balance is settled by cash or check. So we have to write cash or bank. Otherwise we have to write balance carried down. Next we have to write by balance brought down. Okay, this is a due amount, means this amount consignee has to pay. Consignee has to pay this amount to the consignor. Okay, consignor account showing credit balance means consignor is a creditor. Okay, that's it. Thank you.